Hey everyone, I am back with this 2010 Audi A4. It's a 2 litre TDI, 6-speed manual, special edition S-Line, finished in ibis white with the black leather. It's done 43,000 miles, it's got 10 services, just 2 owners, we've got both keys. It's got the full black pack as you can see. Absolutely immaculate vehicle. Very nice condition. It's got the xenon lights. It's got the 19-inch double spoke alloys. It's got privacy glass. Perfectly straight down the body. Got rear parking sensors. Got the rear LED lights. Got your reg number there if you wish to carry out any checks. Super clean car. There really isn't a mark on it, as you can see. This one's got the Bang & Olufsen audio. It's got the dual climate. I believe it's got cruise control. It has got heated leather. It's quite a nice spec. Let's show you inside. Beginning with the boot. You've got your floor mats in the boot. You've got the split folding rear seat, your load net, and it is all very clean and tidy. These do come with a space saver spare wheel, and your warning triangle is just there up top. Inside, very clean. You've got your rear isofix with armrest, rear electric windows, a couple of pressure points there on the seat from a child seat, but they'll come out with time. Very clean other than that. Front seats, again, very clean considering the age. They look a bit dirty on the camera for some reason, but I can assure you they are not. We've got the 3-spoke steering wheel. As I mentioned, electric windows front and rear. You've got the Bang & Olufsen audio. Auto lights and wipers. I can confirm it does have cruise control. And we'll start the vehicle now. So you can see there's no warnings. All your lights illuminate and go out as they should, as you saw there, and the mileage is 43,750. Over here we've got your dual climate control with working aircon and your heated front seats with 6 heat settings. We've also got DAB radio along with your normal radio, media input with auxiliary input, Bluetooth telephone, and all of your other information for the car there. 6-speed, as I mentioned, you can see there, all very clean. Got your cup holders, got your tilt and sliding armrest, phone cradle in the middle should you need it, but you don't. Handbooks and locking wheel key in the glove box. Auto dipping mirrors, and that's about it. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. And if you could like and subscribe, you'll keep in touch, or you'll get to see firsthand our latest cars. They all go on YouTube first. Thanks for watching.